life can be a little daunting, can be a little difficult. Most importantly, it can be very expensive. So our first product, which is our launch product, is called the You Are Saving Energy Box. Pretty neat name, I kind of think. It says it all in one little sentence, one little phrase. What it comes down to is the energy box is a power optimizer that you put on your control panel, or your breaker box, as it's better known as. Please use a licensed electrician. What this box will do is optimize the efficiency of the working motors in your household on your property. This would be refrigerators, air conditioning, ceiling fans, anything with a motor. Is going to allow it to operate more efficiently, which of course will have less maintenance over the years as it does that. But the biggest thing is it's going to lower your overall electric bill. How that works, well, you'll have to receive a presentation from a team member, and they'd be glad to show you on an actual demo board how the power optimizer works, and will save you money. The next product is light bulbs. We've spent our whole life changing light bulbs. Every 6 months it feels like. 10 years ago they came out, maybe 5 years ago they came out with called the CFL. Well, that contains mercury. It does last longer, a little bit more expensive, but has mercury, can be dangerous. Well, the government is outlawing that. So they're not going to allow the production of incandescent light bulbs or these CFLs. Well, that leaves us with just LED light bulbs as the only other option. So we went on a search around the whole world for the light bulb, the perfect light bulb. And what we found is the perfect light bulb that will last 50,000 hours, which is equivalent to 20 years in your household, with an average use of 3 to 4 hours of lighting per day. We also found that the lighting for the light bulb was a lot more pleasant than the typical lighting you see from the incandescents and the CFL. The biggest thing with the LED, they've gotten rid of the blue tint that no one liked. Well, now the second generation LED light bulbs that we are now providing, which are state of the art, give off the exact same color light that we all grew up and are used to. The biggest thing is the cost factor. These light bulbs actually draw as much as 54% less than the regular CFL light bulb. And if you're still one of the older generations and using incandescent light bulbs, the savings there is literally 90% less compared to an incandescent. So bottom line is, you switch out your light bulb and you save money. With the Power Factor Optimizer working with the motors, we kind of have the house taken care of in costing you less to live in it, to maintain it. The third and final product is for the automobile, and our product is called Engine New. The main ingredient of that product is our fuel saver. The fuel saver is going to allow the vehicles to stay cleaner, the injectors, the valves, the plugs. And that is simply going to allow the car to operate the way the manufacturer originally intended for it to operate. So it just simply prolongs the life of the car, and obviously running at optimum efficiency, your gas mileage is going to be a lot higher than it was without it when it's clogged and dirty and not being maintained. So once again, a team member will be glad to show you a presentation on mathematically and physically how this will reduce and give you quality, better gas mileage with your car. Once again, saving money for everybody on the two largest purchases of your life, your house and your vehicle.
So if I understand you correctly, then Joe, I cringe when I pull up to a gas pump. And so you're basically saying you can save us money at the gas pump and save us energy in the house. Is that correct?
In America, we're faced with rising energy costs. Oil keeps going up. In fact, gas prices went up again today. Go figure. We're looking at the rising cost of electricity. It's going to get bad. So if we have products that we can offer to homeowners that will help save them money on their electric bill and their fuel bill, it's a win-win situation. And there is the opportunity to where you can build your own business as well and have unlimited income potential and financial freedom. That's what